And you know, it's interesting listening to Slee's report on Thabo Bester. We know that two of the lawyers acting for Thabo Bester themselves are facing charges, one of fraud and the other, I think, of rape or some sort of grievous assault. They have, I understand, recused themselves not because of these issues, for other reasons. But what does it say?
That's quite brazen that they do so publicly and openly, knowing full well they're facing serious criminal charges. I'm very concerned about that because, you know, ethics has been in the public light for a number of years now. It started in more recent times with the Zondo Commission, where the attorneys and advocates who appeared in that period, in that era, this country history was savaged by the Zondo Commission. Then not so long ago we had the attorneys in the RAF matter, where the attorneys got double payments. And they didn't return the money until they were asked to do so. And some haven't returned the payments yet. And now we have this unfortunate saga in that trial where two of the attorneys themselves are facing serious charges. There seems to be a lack of decorum in what attorneys are doing. They seem to be ignoring the ethical values which I grew up as an attorney upholding. And it's concerning that it's happening now with increasing amount of time, but also increasing intensity. The offences are so brazen that it makes an old lawyer like me cringe.
And interestingly, in the Bester case, we had this report last week. Legally, they don't have to step aside until the end of the trial if they're found guilty. But these are serious charges facing these two people. It's about doing the right thing. It's not just about what the laws say, surely.
It's not a question of simply that. It's the question where we, as the guardians of a profession, fail. I think the LPC should act expeditiously in matters such as this. And
that's the Legal Practitioners Council?
Yeah, the Legal Practice Council, sorry. The Legal Practice Council should act expeditiously in such matters and ask the suspension of these attorneys pending the finalization of their trials. I mean, there's a presumption of innocence, yes, but that's only until the conclusion of the trial. But in the interim, one can't have people facing many crimes of fraud, serious fraud, walking around and practicing as attorneys. That's not acceptable. I think society must take a deeper look at what is happening, and we as the parts of the profession who have to deal with this, must deal with this.